If you're coming from Facebook or TikTok, welcome. Today, I will show you the 5 seconds method of solving this on the board. The size of the rectangles are this and this in centimeter. Express the length of the diagonal as a surd. Remember, the rectangle we drew, we have the diagonal, and we have here 3 minus root 5, and here 3 plus root 5. These are diagonal. Now, here comes the 5 seconds method. We do that by introducing a sum of square method. Introducing sum of square method. Sum of square method, which is we have our diagonals, which is equal to, you have your 3 minus root 5 plus 3 plus root 5 square. So introducing the sum of square method, you have your bracket a minus b square plus, open another bracket, a plus b square. You seen it? Introducing the sum of square method, you use it to arrive at the answers immediately. So sum of square method, when we expound this and factorize, it will give us this 2 brackets a square plus b square. When we expand this and factorize this sum of square method, it will give us this. Then remember, we have our a, which is 3, and we have our b, which is what? Root 5. Now, introducing this here to be equal to 2 brackets. What is our a? Our a is 3 square plus, what is our b? Our b is root 5 square. Now you have your 2 bracket 3 square is 9 plus root 5 times this, which is root 25, and of it, square root of 25 is 5. Then 2 brackets, 9 plus this will give us 14. 2 times 14 is what? 28. Now remember, we have our d square. We are square rooting both sides. When this cancels this, it becomes d, which is to find the 2 factors of this, which is 4 times 7. 4 times 7 will give us, we split it, which is d equal to 2 root 7. 5 seconds method. Want more identities like this? Watch the next video on conjugate surds. Thank you.